After storming off the set following a stressful session, Sofia Vergara is abruptly replaced as a judge as Simon says AGT announces a new spin-off. However, Mel B, one of the former Spice Girls, will take the place of Sofia Vergara 51 in the newest movie. From 2013 until 2018, Mel B served as a judge on America's Got Talent. AGT in 2024, Fantasy League will start. The judges will select a group of performers from among the champions, runners-up, viral acts, and fan favorites they have seen on competition series around the world. The judges will support their preferred talents throughout the session so they can win by making them the best they can be. Fantasy League AGT. During the AGT finals on September 27, viewers can use the AGT app to cast their votes for who they want to see in the spin-off series. Terry Crews, 55, will take over as the show's host. The information was revealed when Sofia stormed off stage following an awkward question from one of the other judges.